Hi, my name is Alice and I'm the graduate assistant in the Health Promotion Office for the Health and Wellness Services at Winona State University. And I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew bandana face mask to use when you're out in the community. So first, we need a bandana and we'll need scissors to cut our coffee filter. So we have a coffee filter and I've made a line here where we're going to cut it, and you will need 2 ponytails. So first, we fold our bandana in half, and then we take the already cut coffee filter and place it in the middle of our bandana. Then you fold the top third over, and gotta pull mine down a little, and then the bottom third over. You then take a ponytail and put it on each side up close to the coffee filter, but not over the top of it. So we get one here on each side. Then we fold in each side. We're gonna take this end here and tuck it into the middle of the other bandana. Now it looks like it's not gonna stay, but because it's against your face, it does. So then you take it up to your face and you'll put the ponytails around your ears. And now we have a face mask.